God is washing you. God is washing you. And you're being pressure washed. You're being pressure cleaned. And so I got this word based on what I heard one day. Look at this. You're being pressure washed. Pressure washed. Okay? Pressure washed. And I got this one day. I was driving in my vehicle and I said to myself, like, what is happening right now? Why is everything happening all at once at the same time, just trying to break me? And then I stopped at the stop sign and I saw this vehicle, and on the side of the vehicle it said such and such pressure cleaning, and I was like, okay, pressure cleaning. I get it. We are being pressure washed. We have to get all of the impurities, all of the unforgiveness, all of the sin, the soot, the mud off of us. And so this has just been the process. And that's how, at the end of it,